If the floating assistant button on your Samsung Galaxy is bothering you, you can easily remove it in just a few simple setting steps. To begin, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from your app drawer or quick panel. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility and tap on it. This section controls many helpful features designed to assist users, but we only need one option here. Next, look for Interaction and Dexterity and select it. Inside this menu, you will see an option called Assistant Menu. This is the feature responsible for the floating button that appears on your screen. Tap on Assistant Menu and you will see a toggle switch at the top. Simply switch it off. A confirmation message may appear. Just tap Turn off again to confirm your choice. That's it. The floating assistant button will instantly disappear from your screen, giving you a cleaner and more distraction-free experience while using your phone. Now your Samsung Galaxy feels much smoother and easier to navigate without that extra floating icon getting in the way.